Hi there, Neil from Richter, and welcome to another video. As you can see behind me, we've got this amazing 2024 Transit Custom in this stunning metallic blue. I thought it's really important, as most people will know by now, the T7 Transporter is based on this platform. That's not out for many months, so the idea was let's get one of these in, let's see what magic we can work on. Things like the interior carpet lining are going to be the same, some of the body kit bits should transfer across. I thought the idea is let's get one in nice and early, let's work some magic. First thing you'll see is the body kit on this vehicle. We've managed to source this from Europe. It's a fully plastic kit, so there's no fiberglass or carbon fiber. Everything's done in plastic. It's like a 24-part kit, full wide body, so really pleased with how that come out. You've got the extended wheel arches as well, side skirts, rear wing, rear skirt, and the front bumper assembly. On this particular one, we've used a gloss black contrast, which works really well. It's available for all models, so short wheelbase, long wheelbase, left door, right door, twin doors, rear barn doors, tailgate. And then in terms of the front bumper, we do three versions. You've got the basic version, the electric version, and the hybrid version, which also fits the Tornado versions. So essentially what that means is whatever version you've got, we've got kit for it. The other things we've done to this vehicle is we've managed to get some Cobra lowering springs. So we're now 40mm at the front, 60mm lowering at the back. Also a set of 20-inch assassin wheels. So yeah, really to transform the look of this vehicle. This one's going to actually be a camper, so it's going up to Camper Ninja. It's going to be Ninja 6, it's known as. So it's going to have the roof cut off, or pop tops going in. So we've done some of the carpet lining on the inside. It's not complete yet. We've had to go long on the roof, ready for that preparation. We've also added the side windows, which is pretty straightforward, very similar to Transporter. And then we've got the dummy glass. So dummy glass on the rear quarters, dummy glass on the rear windows as well, which I think really transformed the look. So yeah, it's early days. We're really pleased with this. As I say, we've got an exclusive agreement that we can distribute this kit in the UK. So effectively, it's our own kit we're distributing. It's yeah, we're doing a bit of a tour next week or the next couple of weeks around some Ford dealers just to show it off. But yeah, absolutely really pleased with how it's come out. It's good preparation for the Transporter, and at least we can get used to this vehicle. We'd love to know what you think in the comments, and we'll catch up in the next video.